Hello. I think you still remember what we saw last time. I think you still remember the two tenses we studied. You remember the simple present and also you remember the present continuous. I also think that you still remember when we use the present simple and when we use the present continuous. Do you still remember that present continuous is used when we have a long and incomplete action? While the present simple is for habits. Do you still remember that we use the present simple when we have a short action now? But the present continuous, the action must be long and incomplete, progressive action. Do you still remember that we use a present simple when an action is a permanent? Example, I live in Berkane. I lived in Berkane, I live in Berkane, and I'm gonna live in Berkane. It's a permanent. However, if I say I'm living in London now, it means the action is for a limited period of time. We call it temporary action. It's not permanent. It's for limited time. After scanning the two tenses, I'm gonna take you forward to the future. I believe many people, when they think of the future, they believe or they think that it's a very easy task. Just put will and the future is there. Sorry, it's not as easy as you think. When we say the future, we don't have just will. We can express the future day using present simple, present continuous, and by using the expression be going to. It seems a little bit complicated, but not so hard and maybe impossible to understand and assimilate. What we're going to try to do is we're going to deal in each session with a tiny part of the future. We try to understand it, we try to practice it, and using our flipped learning system, we're going to start the work out class, I mean in your home or in a cafe, wherever you are, and then when we come to school or when we are in class, we're going to have much time for practice and much time for communication, because before practicing and before communicating or before using these expressions in context orally or in written form, it's not going to be easy to assimilate. Practice makes perfect. So please be patient and follow me step by step. In case you face the least problem, don't hesitate to email me whenever you want, at any time. I'm always awake. Just knock on my inbox and I'm gonna answer you as soon as possible to satisfy all your needs and to answer and meet everything that maybe can confuse you or make you feel a little bit frustrated. Let's start with the future. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. What are you wondering this? What are you thinking of? I believe this lady with the lovely picture and horizon, she is thinking of the future. But her problem is that